What's the meaning of casus belli? Casus belli. Casus belli.
Casus belli. Casus belli. Casus belli is a Latin phrase that translates to an act or event that provokes or justifies a war or conflict. It refers to a reason or justification for starting a war. When a casus belli arises, it often leads to military action and conflict. In international relations, a casus belli can be a declaration of war or a diplomatic response to aggression from another nation. The result of a casus belli can be devastating, leading to loss of life, destruction of property, and long-lasting political and social consequences.